I'm going to start this thing up here just directly. Get the old fire pit burning. Kick back. Have a good time here in a minute. That's the plan.
Video.
Hey, that was racist. I resemble that, Mark.
Well, the Mexicans in you that kept it.
Huh?
The Mexican in you that kept it.
Guess what?
My lighter. Still giving it back.
Fucking beaners.
They borrow stuff and never give it back.
Oh, you are locked up.
Yeah, oh yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Trucks don't come forward.
Oh, there won't.
Shit, yeah, check that out. That's a hell of a fire.
Let's see, how tall am I? Them flames are how high?
Damn.
Taller than you.
You got 7-8 foot flames.
That'd
People
be,
driving by are going to be calling 911.
that's a fire right there now, isn't it? Damn. Wow.
Where did you guys get all that wood?
You guys better make it go down a little bit.
Oh, it's fine. We'll
Yeah, it'll burn down quick, that didn't it? Fence board.
Where did you get all that wood?
For what?
That's why I say 20 feet from my house.
It's not 20 feet from the house.
Oh,
Yeah, it is. I measured it.
In this part of the house, but not that part of the house.
it'll all be burned in a minute. That's awesome.
That's a fire right there now.
Where? How?